welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Miss Karinba, teacher of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. Today I am going to read chapter number 1, The Plant. In our previous class, I told you to make a diagram of plant. I am sure you have to done. Plants are living beings. They also need food for their survival. But like human being and animal, green plants do not depend on others for their food. They can prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in a leaf that makes them green. Observe different parts of the plant given below carefully and discuss their main function. A plant has many parts, as you know. Plant has many parts. Each part has its specific function. Green plants are called autotrophs as they make their own food with the help of their leaves. Leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll which traps the sunlight and prepare the food from the plant with the help of water and carbon dioxide. Leaves are also called food factories of the plant. Let's understand the function of different parts of a leaf. Part of a leaf. The part of a leaf is a leaf blade. Leaf is attached to the stem by stalk. Each leaf generally has one main vein called midrib and many side veins. The midrib and side vein helping in bringing water and mineral from the stem and carrying out the prepared food to other part of the plant. The underside of the leaf has many tiny opening like stomata. Chlorophyll trap the energy from the sunlight and help the plant to prepare its food. Only green plant can make their own food. The process of photosynthesis. As we know, all green plant make their own food with the help of their leaves. They take in carbon dioxide from atmosphere through stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil through roots. Chlorophyll present in the leaves troops the sunlight to prepare food. This process making food by plant using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. The food prepared by a leaf is called sugar. This food is transported throughout the plant by the stem and branches. So today children, your homework is write the process of photosynthesis. Thank you children.